In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Autodesk Revit by renaming its configuration folders safely. Before we begin, make sure Revit is completely closed. Don't just close project windows, shut down the entire application. If you've had crashes or sluggish behavior, closing it fully ensures none of its background processes are still running while we make changes. Next, open File Explorer. A quick note, the folders we're about to visit are often hidden by default in Windows. If you don't see them, select the View menu and enable Hidden Items, or type the full path directly into the address bar. We'll start with the Shared Configuration folder. In File Explorer, go to C++ Program Data, Autodesk RVT, replacing the hashes with your Revit version like 2023. When you find the RVT folder for your version, rename it to something like RVT 2023 old. Renaming doesn't delete anything, it simply moves the folder out of Revit's way so the program can create fresh configuration data the next time it runs. This is a safe, reversible way to troubleshoot corrupt settings or templates. Now we'll refresh your user-specific settings. Navigate to C/users/app data/locals Autodesk Revit /mark. Again, replace the version number to match what you're using. Rename that folder to Autodesk Revit /oldie. The local app data folder holds cache and machine-specific data. Renaming it forces Revit to rebuild clean local caches, which can fix issues like slow startup or persistent errors. Finally, go to C/users/app data roaming Autodesk Revit Revit and rename that folder to Autodesk Revit old as well. The roaming app data folder stores user preferences, UI customizations, and some add-in data that follows your Windows profile. Renaming it gives you a fresh slate for those preferences. If you rely on custom keyboard shortcuts, UI layouts, or templates, don't worry, you can copy those back later from the old folders if needed. That's it for the changes. The next time you launch Revit, it will automatically recreate these folders with default healthy files. This often resolves odd behavior after updates, adding conflicts, or corrupted caches. Keep the old folders for a while so you can copy back any personal settings or content you miss. If everything works smoothly, you can delete the old folders to reclaim space. If you work in a managed IT environment or rely on custom company content, consider checking with your admin before you do this, just to make sure you know which standards you might want to restore afterward. And remember, we didn't delete anything. Renaming is a safe approach that's easy to undo.